Welcome to UpLead. In this video, we're going to give you a full demonstration of UpLead. UpLead is a B2B prospecting tool that provides you with instant access to millions of contacts and companies worldwide. The first option you'll notice here is the left side search criteria menu. You can use this menu to filter by 50 plus criteria, including industry, title, location, revenue, employees, type, company URL, technologies used, other specific criteria, or exclusions. Let's go back to the top. So, you'll notice two different options here, which are contacts and companies. If you're looking to target contacts, then you can leave this button selected. If you're looking to target companies, be sure to click the Companies button. By default, the Contacts option is selected. So now, we'll show you each menu tab more in depth. Let's start with the Industry tab. As you can see here, once you click on Industry, there are multiple different ways to search for an industry. You can search by industry category, which will have different categories listed, such as construction, manufacturing, retail, etc. You can also click on these arrows here to get more specific within the industry category. For example, let's look at manufacturing. As you can see, there are many categories available inside of manufacturing. Okay, let's close the industry category option for now and move on to the Search by Industry Name option. Once you open this tab, you'll see a search bar which will allow you to type an industry name. For example, we'll type in e-commerce and you'll see the matching results appear. Just be sure to click the checkbox once you've found the industry that you'd like to target. So let's close this and move to the SIC code tab. The SIC code section allows you to search by 2, 4, or 6-digit SIC codes. For example, you can type in 80 or 8011, etc. You can click the Add More button as needed to add more SIC codes. Or, if you have a large list of SIC codes, you can click on Upload a List and upload a large list of SIC codes to target. Now, we'll quickly show you the other tabs before we get started on running a search. This is the Title tab. You can use this tab to search for specific job titles. For example, you can type in CIO, IT Director, IT Manager. Just be sure to enter one title per line as we did here. Commas are not necessary. Also, as you can see here, you can select the Includes option to see results that include these keywords, or you can select the Exact Match option to select exact matches only. Let's move on to the Job Function tab. As you can see here, there is a full list of job functions to choose from, and you can select as many as you'd like. Management level is similar. You can choose C-level, VP level, etc. Let's look at the Location tab. As you can see here, you can filter geographically by country, state, county, metro area, city, or zip code. If you have a large list of states or zip codes that you'd like to target, you can just click on Upload a List down here and you can upload a full list of states or zip codes. Please note, the Excel file that you upload must contain one column only and should not include a header. File type should be excel.csv. You can also filter by company revenue by using this scroll bar here to target the exact revenue range you need. Number of employees is very similar. You just use the scroll bar to select the range that you need. Type. The Type tab allows you to filter by the type of company, such as public, private, government, etc. You can also filter by Fortune ranking, such as Fortune 500 or Fortune 1000. You can also filter by Alexa ranking here. Next is the Company URL tab. You can use this tab to search for specific companies. So, let's say you're looking to target all contacts at Amazon. You would just type Amazon.com here and click Done. You can also upload a list of multiple URLs to target by clicking on the Upload a List option here. Let's move on to technologies. UpLead tracks thousands of unique technologies. You can use this section to filter for specific technologies, such as Shopify or WordPress, and then just be sure to click Done. Next is the Others tab. This section allows you to filter by presence of social links, such as Contact LinkedIn, Company Twitter, etc., as well as year founded. And you can just enter the 4-digit from and to year here. Lastly, we have the Exclusions tab. This section allows you to upload a suppression list to exclude contacts or companies. If you already have a list of contacts that you have purchased from another provider or a list of contacts in your CRM, you can upload a list of phone numbers, email addresses, or website URLs to exclude from your UpLead search results by clicking on Upload a List here. This way, you can avoid duplication. Select a list from My Lists allows you to exclude a list that you've already uploaded. We'll go more into what My Lists is in just a little bit. You can use this Exclude from Previous Downloads option to exclude contacts that you've already downloaded from UpLead. Now that we've gone over the full left side menu, let's just quickly run a search and view some results. I'll just click on Clear All Criteria at the top here to make sure I clear everything that we already entered, and we'll start a new search. Let's go back to the Industry tab and select the industry by category option. And we'll select Retail, and be sure to click the Done button at the top here. As you see, we have over 1 million contacts available for the retail industry. I can also now continue filtering my search by other filters, such as title or location. For this example, I'll search for specific titles. So we'll just open the Title tab and we'll search by job titles. I'll enter Marketing and click Done. As you can see, we now have over 18,000 contacts matching our criteria. If you'd like to save this search, you can click on the Save Search here and name your search. This way, you can quickly access this same saved search in the future by clicking on My Saved Searches, and as you can see, the saved search will be listed here. Let's go back to the results. As you can see here, the results page will show you the contact's name, company name, contact's title, etc. You can also click on the contact's name or the company name to see the full profile. So for example, let's click on the contact here, and you'll see the full contact information here. Let's go back to our results and click on the company to view the full company profile page. Now we can see the full company profile, which has all the basic company information, as well as more detailed information, such as company description, if available, technologies used at the business, competitors, and most common email pattern. Most common email pattern is the email format that is most commonly used at the business. For example, firstname.lastname@url.com. You can use a credit to unlock this information. Now, let's go back to the results. As you can see here, the email addresses are locked. You can use a credit to unlock an email address. One credit equals one contact that you downloaded to excel.csv, export to your CRM, or an email address that you unlock. The free 7-day trial comes with 5 download credits. You can upgrade your account at any time by clicking on the blue upgrade button here. We have several plans available, starting at $49 a month. All our plans are month-to-month and have no contract or commitment. There's also no setup fee or hidden fees. You can upgrade or downgrade your plan at any time. Any unused credits roll over on all plans. Our professional plan and any of our enterprise plans come with unlimited users, so you can invite team members from your company and they can access UpLead without any additional per-seat fee. Let's go back to the results page and go more into how downloading works. You can download or unlock leads in many different ways. You can unlock one email address at a time by clicking Unlock here. Or you can use this green download icon to download the contact to excel.csv, or you can click the CRM icon here to export a contact to your CRM. If you would like to download, export, or unlock multiple contacts at one time, you can use this blue download button at the top right for bulk downloading. So for example, you can choose to download a specific number of leads, only selected leads that you checkmarked on the grid, or all leads. If you click specific number of leads, you see a box appear which will ask you how many leads you'd like to download, and you can just type in the amount. So for this example, let's download 20 of these contacts to Excel. In order to do that, I just need to type 20, and then I will click on the Excel download button here. Then, as soon as you click download or export, the contacts will begin to verify. UpLead verifies all email addresses in real time upon downloading, exporting, or unlocking. Once the verification is complete, you will see a pop-up which will show you the validation response codes for each email address. You will see one of 3 response codes: valid, accept all, or invalid. Here's an explanation of each response code. Valid means the email server allows verification, and the email is 100% verified. Valids are 100% valid at the moment of download or export. Accept all means the email server is set to accept all incoming mail, so we cannot 100% validate that the email is valid. You should use caution when emailing to the accept all category. Or, if you have a low bounce tolerance, you can choose to download the valid only and not download the accept all. Invalid records cannot be downloaded or exported. These get sent to our manual research team to update. Each time you download or export leads, you will see this pop-up, which will give you a choice of downloading valid only or valid and accept all. If you download valid only, the emails are 100% accurate at the time of download. If you download the valid and accept all, you will see some level of bounces from the accept all. You are only charged a credit for what you choose to download. So if you want 100% valids, please be sure to download the valid only. For this example, I'll choose to download both valids and accept alls. As you can see, you'll see a pop-up letting you know the file has been exported successfully to Excel. And you can see your file here. Here's a quick look at what the excel.csv download file looks like. You can scroll to the right to see all columns that are included with the download. Now, let's go back to the results. Let's say you want to clear all of this search criteria and start a new search. You would just need to click the Clear All Criteria text here. And as you can see, you can start a new search now. Let's say you need to access a list that you've already downloaded. You would just need to click on your name on the top right and then click Downloads. This will show you all your previous downloads. You can click on this green download icon to re-download a previously downloaded list. You will not be charged any credits for re-downloading a list. Let's go back to the main screen. You'll notice this quick search bar at the top here. You can use this search bar to run a search using contact's name, company name, or company URL. For example, I'll type in salesforce.com, and you can now see we have over 2,000 contacts available at Salesforce. Let's also briefly discuss My Lists. You can use My Lists to upload a list of emails, phone numbers, states, zip codes, company URLs, etc. The list that you upload here can then be applied to your search criteria. To learn more, just go to My Lists and click this green Play Video button. Also, if you'd like to connect your CRM or to the UpLead API, you can just click on your name on the top right and then click Profile. You can connect to your CRM by clicking this Connect to My CRM button here. UpLead's platform is integrated with several CRMs such as Salesforce, HubSpot, Insightly, Zoho, Pipedrive, and Reply. You can also generate an API key to make API calls to our database by clicking the Generate API key here. And that concludes this demo. Again, you can upgrade your account at any time by clicking on this blue upgrade button on the top here. We hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you for choosing UpLead.